Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing your data because once you begin changes, you want a fallback. Backup photos, contacts, and important files to cloud or PC. Make sure battery is at least 50%. Next, remove the case and SIM, clean ports and check for debris since physical faults mimic crashes. Then boot into safe mode or recovery. This lets you see whether a third-party app or the system itself is crashing and sets up the next concrete steps. Once in safe mode or after basic checks, focus on software causes. You should uninstall recent or suspicious apps because they often cause instability, clear app cache and app data to remove corrupted files. Make sure the OS and all apps are updated and use Wi-Fi to download patches. Also check storage. Keep at least 10 to 20% free. Low space leads to crashes. If a specific app keeps failing, reinstall it cleanly. If crashes persist after updates and app removals, prepare for a factory reset. This clears system corruption. Make sure your backup is complete because reset erases user data. After reset, reinstall essential apps only, then monitor for stability. Also inspect hardware. Look for battery swelling, overheating, or moisture. These require service. If problems remain, gather error patterns, crash times, and logs, and contact an authorized repair center. Bringing clear notes speeds diagnosis and avoids unnecessary replacements.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.